deck, we have Silk with a song, or Melody with words. Alright, now we have Balde with a series of sounds.
What? Okay. Clap for me. It's my turn. Take it off. Sound number one. Sound number two. Sound number three. For this next one, I will need complete silence. I dedicate this next one to Savannah, who came a day early. Okay, now we shall play sound ball. I will throw you a sound. Whatever sound I throw you, you will catch that exact sound repeating after me. Then you will throw me a new sound. I will repeat after you. Here we go. Shit! Shit! Go